Unexpected expenses can hit us like a surprise pop quiz. One moment, you're cruising through life, and the next, your phone pings with a bill you weren't prepared for. But managing your money doesn't have to feel like a roller coaster ride. Think of your finances like a Tamagotchi, something you need to nurture and care for. If you ignore it, it won't thrive. First, let's talk budgeting. It's your financial roadmap. Start by tracking your expenses. Apps like Mint or Wally can help you categorize where your money goes. You'll be amazed at how those little purchases add up. Once you see the big picture, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back. Now, here's a pro tip. Pay yourself first. Set up an emergency fund. Treat it like a savings superhero that swoops in when life throws you a curveball. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This cushion will give you peace of mind and help you avoid debt when unexpected costs arise. Next, let's plant some money seeds. Investing early is like watering those seeds and watching them grow into a lush garden. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Even small amounts can blossom into significant savings over time. Think of it as giving your future self a gift. As you take control of your finances, celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Did you stick to your budget this week? Awesome. Did you add to your emergency fund? Fantastic. Each step forward is a victory. Empower yourself to manage your money confidently. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about numbers. It's about making informed choices that lead to a secure future. So, take charge, nurture your financial health, and watch your money thrive.